Hello, I am Sandeep and welcome to Vision Enterprises. Today I will show you how to install Mantra MFS 100 biometric device on your PC or laptop. First you need to download Mantra MFS 100 driver and RD services on your PC. Open any browser and download from given link. Download link are given in description. Download this zip file. Download this zip file. After you downloaded, extract the zip file and install both drivers. Now install second driver. Disable these two options and click on finish button. Now plug in your Mantra MFS 100 biometric device. And wait few seconds. A pop-up will be show you framework ready to use. Okay, now your device is successfully connected to your PC. Now you have applied BSc using biometric.